Survival. I'm Luke, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a nice, easy snow shelter. We got plenty of snow here. It's pretty deep. Yeah, this is perfect. I got some pine bough over there. Let's make it work. Now you're going to want to build this thing long enough so that you can lay inside of it and also crawl into it. So I'm going to make it the length of my two arms together. I can do this easily. Drop the shovel there. Mark that side. That's about as long as I am. And I want to add a little bit to get in. So I'll start here. That's nice, man. So that's my starting point. That's my end point.
Here we go.
Now I got my trench dug just to the size I want, with enough room for an opening. I gotta lay some wood across the top and some pine bough, then cover it over with snow.
Let's try it. You're catching on.
All right, this is it. Let's go inside. Now I just got to cover this whole thing with snow.
I see you move, now spin around and feel the groove.
Let's try it. Terrific.
Amsterdam.
Here comes the music.
All right, so my camera died for the third time after I warmed it up and tried to get everything to record. It's just too cold out here. But now that I'm in the shelter, I'm actually, it's pretty nice. I got a pine barrel bed. I don't know if you can see it all the way down there. You'll turn on flashlights. I got this nice main beam right here. Thought that'd give it some extra support.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
Yeah. I made the shelter with absolutely no cordage. Snow's awesome. And as the snow begins to fall, or should I say continues to fall, it'll only become more insulated. And I could tell as soon as I took that door off, it actually got colder inside the moment I took the door off. So that makes a difference. The more pine brow you use for that, the warmer you're gonna be. The more pine brow you use on your bed, the more off the ground you'll be. The more effort you put into something like this, the more you'll thank yourself in the cold nights. But yeah, it's pretty much the basics. It took me an hour and a half. Pair this Arctic woobie with any snow shelter and you're bound to stay warm. We sell these on our site in Arctic, woodland, and multicam colors. These pack away nice and light in their included carrying bag. They're very warm. Being slightly waterproof, these come in really handy for any kind of snow or winter camping type scenario. Slightly waterproof and unbelievably warm. They trap a lot of body heat, being that they are slightly unbreathable, therefore slightly waterproof and all that other stuff. They make a perfect combo. This is why the military uses these. They're poncho liners. Yeah, wouldn't want to go anywhere without my woobie.